everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Swati. We are in Kodaikanal and we came to Kodaikanal all the way by driving from Bangalore and people are so excited over there. So what are the plans? We are here for 4 nights, 5 days and we'll be taking you to all the places we'll be visiting. So stay tuned for all the exciting places to visit along with us and what else?
It's gonna be really much fun, so keep watching this video.
Yes. So we started our journey early in the morning around 5:30 and we drove through our own vehicle. I would suggest you to leave Bangalore as early as possible to avoid traffic. As it's going to be really a long journey, long drive, as Kodaikanal, which is a hill station in Tamil Nadu, is around 468 kilometers from Bangalore, which will take around 9 to 10 hours including your refreshment breaks. The drive is awesome as the roads are in really good condition with the stunning views on both the sides. You'll really enjoy the drive. There are plenty of options on the way for refreshments and meals. You can find Sarvana Bhavan and A to B as well. We stopped for tea breaks twice throughout the way as we were loaded with snacks for our journey. Like we packed sandwiches, fruits, juice, water, everything. So once you cross the last toll at Dindigul Kodai Junction, after a few kilometers, ghats will start. The ghat roads to Kodaikanal are good and broad and scenic, of course. So right after reaching Kodaikanal Forest Checkpost, you will see a beautiful waterfall, which is Silver Cascade Waterfall. You can stop by and click few pictures there. The weather was absolutely amazing and at few places it was so foggy, so cloudy, and we really loved it. We reached the resort at 2 o'clock and we stayed at Sterling Kodai Valley. And here comes the beautiful view from our room. So we reached the resort around 2 o'clock, then we had lunch, took some rest. Actually we slept and now it's around 5:45 and we just had tea and snacks. We are going to play football now. Also I'll take you on a quick tour to resort, so stay tuned. And there my boys are playing football. Daddy and I at 7. Let's go. Haji, so we are done with dinner and we are back to room and we are looking for places to visit tomorrow morning. So we have got the sightseeing plan from hotel itself. There are so many points but we are not going to cover everything and we'll check out what to cover tomorrow. So what do you think? Where should we go?
Where are we going tomorrow?
We'll see. We'll look for some Green Valley tour. There are a couple of things. Okay, so before we decide where we are planning to go tomorrow, let me tell you one interesting thing. We have come to Kodaikanal for the second time in last 12 years and for the first time we came on our first anniversary and it's been 11 years now. So after 11 years we have come to Kodaikanal again. So I'm sure it's going to be super fun. Yes, and you were not there by the way then. Yes. So, alright, it's time to sleep now. See you guys tomorrow morning.
Bye bye.
So, we are heading for the sightseeing and Nakshatra is munching on something. What are you eating?
Tasty nuts.
Why you didn't have breakfast properly? Huh? Okay, and here is my driver. So we have planned few things. We checked on the help desk. So let's go.
This is cool.
So this point is Coker's Walk point. You need to take entry ticket. Seems Nakshatra found something. What did you find?
I found two pins.
A rattle. You'll play with rattle. Finally clouds are clearing up and we can see something. Let me zoom in.
Now show me also, Mama.
Basically that valley, houses, mountains, clouds. And now we are heading to the next point, which is Upper Lake Viewpoint, and this is the view. Now moving to the next point. So this is Moir Point. Nice view. And now we are heading to the pine forest. See? Lots of pines. I'm taking this home. It's a beautiful place. You can spend hours over there, but because it started raining heavily, so we rushed back to the resort. And on the way, we found a beautiful waterfall. So we spent some time there as the rain stopped by then. And then on the way back to resort, we stopped at Domino's in the Kodai town. And at the resort, we had a lot of fun with indoor and outdoor activities. So because of rain, we couldn't spend time at Pine Forest, which is a very beautiful place. But let's see how it goes tomorrow. So keep watching, guys, and I'll see you in part 2 video.